You're in a hurry, Miffy. Where are you going?
To Poppy Pig's house. Poppy's taking me and Grunty on a nature hike.
Oh, you should save some energy for all that walking then.
But this is running. I've got loads of energy for walking.
If you say so, Miffy.
Ah, here's our last nature hiker.
Hello, Poppy. Hi, Miffy. Hi, Grunty. I can't wait for a lovely long nature hike. Is it a very long way?
Quite long, but that's what makes it fun. There's so much to see along the way.
Where are we going?
Wherever the mood takes us, Miffy. Then we follow the map and it will lead us back home in time for lunch.
Lunch? What are we waiting for? Let's go. Poppy, what will we see on our nature hike?
Why don't you use the binoculars and have a look? And Grunty, see if you can spot where we are on the map.
Wow, I can see so far. There's a bird in a nest. A green caterpillar. And Grunty. What else can we look for, Poppy?
All sorts. Tell you what, why don't I think of some special things we can look for along the way?
Oh, like a treasure hunt?
Exactly, Grunty. Let's think. I know. A stripy shell, a spiky leaf, and...
A feather. A fluffy feather.
That's a good one, Miffy.
And I'm going to be the first to find them all. Not if I get there first. Ooh. Look, Grunty's shells. Oh, yes. Let's see if we can find a stripy one. Stripy shell. Oh, Grunty.
Oh, that was close. Always keep hold of the map, Grunty. We needed to find our way home.
Oops, sorry.
But well done for being first to find a stripy shell.
I think I found who lives in it too. Oh, look. Goodbye, little snail. Oh, it's so windy. Maybe your ears are trying to fly. Ooh. Ooh.
Hold on a moment, girls. I'm not quite sure where we are. So, we came up this way, which means we should be heading towards...
Oh, Poppy! Oh, the map! Oh, no! Look, Poppy, you found a spiky leaf. Yay!
Well done, me.
We found a stripy shell and a spiky leaf. Ooh. Oh.
But I'm afraid we've lost the map. It's blown away.
Oh, no. Does that mean we're lost too? How will we get home?
Oh, don't worry. I'm sure we can think of a way to find my house again.
We can ask someone the way.
I can't see anyone to ask.
I know. We can use the binoculars to find your house.
Good thinking, Miffy.
There's the bird. And there's the map. Quick, if we can get the map back, we can find our way home. Come on. Oh,
follow that map.
That way. Oh. Nearly. This way. Come on. Oh. 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 There it is. Hooray! Ooh. Free home! Yay!
Well done, girls. That was excellent map following.
Oh, yes. We did follow the map, and it led us back home, just like Poppy said. I like nature hikes, but I like getting back home too.
Especially in perfect time for a picnic lunch.
A picnic! Yay! Yay! Yummy. Wow, following maps makes you really hungry. Hey, that's my strawberry. See, little bird. Oh, a feather. I found a fluffy feather. The last thing to collect.
Well done! Now we found everything, including our way home.
There's only one thing left to find. What's that? A friend with ticklish feet. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing with those rocks, Miffy?
Playing football.
Football? Wouldn't a ball be better than a rock?
The rock's not the ball. I'm making the goal. Melanie's bringing her ball and we're going to play with Dan and Grunty. Hey, Miffy. Hi, Dan. Look what I've got. Oh! That made me jump. He's my new Jack-in-the-Box. He's funny. Can I have a go? Okay. Just turn the handle. Oh! He's great. But I don't think he can play football. Look out! Oh? Did you see that shot? Hi, Melanie. Hi, Miffy. Hi, Dan. What's in the box? I'll show you. Oh! He's brilliant. Come on, let's play. Woohoo! I'll be in goal. But Grunty likes being in goal. Yes, but she's not here. We can play until she gets here. Oh. You'll be safe there. It's me. Ah! Oh! Wow, look how far it went. Come on, it's over here. Race you. Okay. Miffy. Melanie. Dan. Where are you? Ooh. What's this? Oh! You're funny. Let's play together until I find my friends. Yes! Goal! Great goal, Miffy. Ooh. Oh, my Jack-in-the-Box is gone. Are you sure that's where you left it? Of course I'm sure. It was right here. Don't be sad, Dan. We'll find him. We can look in more places if we split up. Okay? Do you really think we'll find him? I'm sure of it. Let's go. We'll find Jack and bring him back. It's Dan's box behind these rocks. Where are you, Jack? Please come back. I know that sound. Grunty, look what I've got, Miffy. Oh. That's Dan's Jack-in-the-Box. No, it's mine. I found it. There was no one playing with it. Dan put it down to play football. Oh, but I didn't see Dan. Maybe this is another Jack-in-the-Box. Grunty, it is the same one. Don't look at me like that. Oh, is it really Dan's? Dan's really sad. He's been looking for it everywhere. Okay, I'll give it back. What if Dan won't be my friend anymore? I didn't mean to take his toy. I'm sure he'll understand it was just a mistake. I hope so. I can't find Jack anywhere. Neither can I. Sorry, Dan. Huh? Grunty! You found my Jack! Kind of. I did find him, but only because I took him first. I'm really sorry, Dan. It was just a mistake. Grunty didn't know Jack was yours. It's okay, Grunty. I'm just really happy to have him back. Oh, can I still play football? Of course. You can be goalie. That's my favourite position. Are you sure? Yes, of course. Oh, not again. It looks like Jack wants you to play too. So, what are we waiting for? Let's play! Come on then. Ooh, good save, Grunty. Oh, Mummy! Telephone!
Hello? Oh no, how terrible.
Huh?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Oh, I do hope you feel better soon. Bye. That was Aunt Alice, Miffy. She's feeling poorly, so she's tucked herself up in bed. She sounded very miserable.
We should try and cheer her up.
Oh, what a good idea. I'll make her some of my special carrot soup. A mug of that cures just about anything.
And I'm going to find some more things to cheer up Aunt Alice.
Are you all right, Miffy?
I am, but Aunt Alice isn't. She's feeling poorly.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm trying to think of some things to cheer her up.
Well, what cheers you up when you're feeling miserable?
Cuddle for my teddy. Ooh! My ball. And, my scooter.
Anything else?
Snuffy! Snuffy always cheers me up.
Goodness me, Miffy. What are all your toys doing here?
They're to cheer up Aunt Alice.
Oh, that's nice, Miffy. But are you sure the things that cheer you up will cheer Aunt Alice up? She might be a bit old for bouncing balls and riding scooters.
I suppose so.
And as lovely as Snuffy is, Aunt Alice might not want a doggy running around when she's not well.
So, to cheer Aunt Alice up, I need to find things that she likes. Aunt Alice likes making and drawing things.
Very good. Why don't you make or draw her something?
Yes! I'll draw her a picture. Mummy!
Oh.
I've drawn Teddy, my ball, my scooter and Snuffy.
Oh, that's very good, Miffy.
Now, the things that cheer me up can cheer up Aunt Alice too.
And my carrot soup is ready as well.
Let's go visit her now. Whee!
I thought we agreed not to take Aunt Alice your scooter.
It's not for Aunt Alice, it's for me. The faster we get there, the faster we can cheer her up.
Oh, Miffy.
Aunt Alice, we're here.
Oh, not so loud, Miffy.
Hello, Aunt Alice.
Hello. Hello, Aunt Alice. How beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, achoo!
Oh no! Did our flowers make you sneeze?
Oh, it's all right, Miffy. The flowers are lovely. It's just my cold that's making me sneeze.
You'll feel better soon, Aunt Alice. Mummy made you her special carrot soup.
I'll go and find a mug to put it in.
And I made you this.
Oh, Miffy, what a wonderful picture.
It's all the things that cheer me up when I'm feeling poorly.
Very good and very thoughtful. Thank you, dear. Achoo!
Here you are, a nice mug of my carrot soup.
Oh, it's delicious. Thank you, both of you. I'm feeling better already. Achoo! Oh, well, almost.
Well, have a nice long sleep and you'll feel right as rain in the morning.
Bye, Aunt Alice. Achoo!
Come on, Miffy, you'll be late for school.
I don't feel very well.
Oh, you don't look very well, Miffy. Oh, dear. I think you've caught Aunt Alice's cold, Miffy.
Oh, no.
No school for you today.
Oh,
Go back to sleep for a bit and I'll make something to cheer you up.
okay. Thank you, Mummy.
Guess what I've got for you?
Oh, your special carrot soup. Yum.
And look who else I found. Hello, Miffy.
Are you feeling better?
Much better, thanks to you. So now it's my turn to visit and cheer you up. Here you are.
Oh, a new ball and a new scarf for Bear. How did you know what would cheer me up?
Well, you drew me a picture with all of them on. Remember? But something's missing. What could it be?
Snuffy! You came to visit me too. All I need now is my scooter.
I don't think you're quite well enough for that yet.
Then I'll have to get better fast. You said one mug of your soup can cure anything.
She's got a point. After all, it worked for me.